You're so beautiful. You should just be yourself.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload my next videos. But without further ado, from the title you guys can see, we are going to be doing a hair review on this Eula hair. So if you want to know more about it, then just keep on watching. So you guys, I got my hair done before my vacation. If you guys have not watched my vacation vlog, then I'll link it in the iCard so you guys can make sure that you guys go and watch that video, and you'll be able to see this luscious hair in that video. So it has been 2 weeks since I've gotten my hair done, and I want to say that I love this Eula hair, like hands down. I also had Nadula hair before, straight. So if you want to see that review, then I will link it at the end of this video. I'll just put it at the end of the video, so then you can click on that and then you can see my full review on Nadula hair. But we are here to talk about Eula. Okay, Eula, I really love you guys' hair. So as we're talking about it, we're gonna take it down and work through it and all that good stuff. So yes, you guys, I've had this hair in for 2 weeks and it has been so amazing. I got the deep wave. I got 3 bundles of 22 inches of hair. And yeah, so at first, when I first got it, I wasn't sure of it. This is my first time actually having curly hair. So I was a little iffy about it, because I'll show you guys the video of when I first got my hair done. It was super, super curly and really short.
God damn, I just got an accident and I gotta keep going. I got to go. Oh, whatever, because I'm not stopping.
So I was like, I don't believe this is 22 inches. But what happens is, as time goes on and as you guys begin to put the products in your hair, it will definitely show you that it is, I'm on my tippy toes, but it will definitely show you, like, this is definitely 22 inches of hair. Like, this is the length right here. So it is definitely 22 inches of hair, you guys. Also, I have not had very much shedding of this hair. We all know that all hair sheds, even the hair on our actual head, it sheds. So it just hasn't been like super, super to the point where it's like, oh my God, like I cannot control the shedding. So it is like regular shedding. Also, I twist my hair, as you guys can see, to keep it up. And also, I try to apply as least product as possible. And if I'm not like doing anything or going anywhere, I try not to like oversaturate my hair with product, because I know that that can really mess up the texture and, you know, just how the hair is, you know, the wear and tear on the hair. So this is the hair once I take the twist out, and then after I take the twist out, I wet it, and then I use my Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner as well. So I'm going to wet the hair, and yeah, I'm gonna wet it on camera and show you guys exactly. I don't know if I hope that I'm answering every question that you guys have about this hair. If I did not, please leave it in the comment section down below. Your comments in the comment section down below, and I will make sure that I answer any comments or questions that concerns you may have about the hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna wet it really quickly. And I don't like to put too much water, as you guys can see, just by me just adding this little bit of water to it, you can see how beautiful, like, oh, it's just so amazing. I really, really love this hair. So just by adding that little bit of water, it does really good. So also, one of my concerns was the nape. Now, mind you guys, I was in Las Vegas, and if you guys do not know, Las Vegas is extremely, extremely scorching hot. And I was concerned because, you know, normally when you're around a lot of heat, the nape of your hair gets really super tangled under there. Right now I'm just putting in the Mielle leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna comb through so you guys can see. But yeah, so basically I was in Las Vegas and I was really concerned because I'm like, if this hair isn't good, the nape will get matted really, really quickly. Because you're outside, you're walking, the humidity, all of that stuff, like, you know. And then also, I feel like it'll get really tangly if it wasn't like really, you know, good hair. So I believe this hair is really, really good. And then I just start brushing from the bottom. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Start brushing from the bottom and working my way up, and also getting under the nape of the hair, like right up under there. As y'all can see, it is not like super matted or, you know, just a hot mess. So I really, like, you guys, I am so in love with this hair. I cannot stress to you guys how much I love this hair. And I was a little iffy about it because, you know, when you're buying from these companies, you get what you pay for, and I didn't really pay a lot. I know that if you really want really, really great quality hair, you have to pay a pretty penny. So for this hair, it was like almost $200 for the 3 bundles of 22 inches. And as you guys can see, you guys are seeing that this is all going on right now. Like, this is exactly how the hair is, and it's like so easy to comb through, so easy to like deal with, to manage. Like, I really am in love with curly hair now. Like, this is definitely going to be added to my list of hairs to get. Curly will definitely be on the list. I'm gonna order some more curly hair from Eula, or more hair from Eula, because I feel like if this is their hair quality, this is just their hair quality, baby girl. Like, and as you guys can see, like, the ends aren't super bad. Like I said, you can tell it's not like super top of the line hair, but it's not the worst. The curl texture is super amazing. Like, and like I said, under the nape, it does not have a lot of tangling. This hair does not shed very much. I can run my fingers through it, as you guys can see, and everything is perfectly fine. It's just like this little piece of hair right here. It's like a couple of little pieces of hair. It's nothing major. So, yes, I highly recommend that if you're looking for affordable hair, that you guys shop Eula Hair. Eula, if you watch this, sponsor me, please. Okay, let's work this out together, because this is just really amazing hair. I am not getting paid for this. I paid my own shacoin, okay? And I wouldn't lie if I didn't like something, and I'm just gonna tell you the truth. I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, I like it, it's amazing quality, just because they sent it to me for free. But as you guys can see, like, my hair, it do move. Stiff wear, stiff wear, stiff wear. It's giving what needs to be. Yay! I didn't waste my money. You know that TikTok where it'd be like, no, I wasted my money. Like, sweetie, you will not waste your money with this hair. Like, I'm telling you, baby girl, get you some Eula hair, okay? For reals. Like, seriously, especially if you're on a budget. Like, if you're a mom and you on a budget and you want some affordable hair, or if you're in school and you want some affordable hair, or maybe just whatever is going on in life and you trying to save you some coin, sis, like, I promise you, okay, let me stop playing. But yes, you guys, this is Eula hair. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It's given what needs to be given. Like, I love it. It's amazing. And when it dries, it looks super, super amazing. So I thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.